So, I made it to 40 subscribers, which is super exciting. So I'm gonna share with you my Usborne shopping problem. So, they sent me, they sent me books in this thing, but then in the box. So this is what we got. I need to find some scissors though. Hold on. Okay, so we got, first of all, my mom wanted to buy some books for the girls. So I was like, sure, let's get some books so we can homeschool. And then a friend of mine threw an Usborne party and it's like, well, now I gotta buy some more books. So we got Look Inside How Computers Work. Let's see, oh my goodness. It's a, well, that flat broke. So,
that flat book.
What in the world? Well, hopefully none of the other ones break. Now I'm afraid to open them.
Wow. They have the same thing, like space.
No, I don't even know where it was.
Like space
Oh,
and
it's right
like
here.
a Barbie book. Like
Right.
that.
Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside, and hopefully they can send me another one. I'll let you guys know. But then the other one was a Look Inside Wild Weather. I'm gonna open this ever so slowly. Yeah, we gotta be slow because that one broke on us. They're like super stiff. Whoa. Thunder, flash, bang. So yeah. The weather one is not as thick as the body one or the space one. It doesn't have as many pages. Same with the computer. It's bigger than the weather, but not as many pages. Because I got this because my friend with Our Abundant Home, she said she recommends these to keep your little ones busy while you're homeschooling the older ones, and you just use your finger to stamp it and then stamp it on the page, and then it like tells you if you want to create something, if they're old enough to follow instructions. So that's cool. I'm excited because my 3-year-old always wants to do what my 5-year-old's doing, but obviously she can't do that. So I got a little stamp book. I got 2 stamp books because you know they will fight because one of them's doing it and the other one's not. So this is under the sea. Super cool. All right. And then my friend who sells these, she recommended this book, Americanly, and this book for teaching the United States, which is something we're going to do in the fall with my 5-year-old.
I want to do that. Mom, I want the fizzy. I want to do that.
I love you extensively, like the Continental Divide, you know, just fun little facts about America. And then the Wonders of the USA, Shine a Light book. Oh, so you hold it up to the light or you get a flashlight, and so it'll show this picture through the page. So that's pretty cool. So I'm excited to help keep my kids engaged while learning about the states, because it can seem boring probably, but this will help a lot. And hopefully you guys can check out these books. I don't know if it's Usborne, but they're definitely worth looking at. We love Usborne, and they definitely have a lot of homeschool friendly books.